On last week's episode, I got hauled out at Keehi Marine Center and started preparing the rudder for the final repair. Getting the brines tangs all sorted out and in place and ready for welding. Hello friends, good morning. It's day 2 of the haul out. Everything is a go with the welder. He just went and got bronze rod. He looked at it, he's like, no problem. He just walked up to the office to get like a work order. So everything's a go. I just got a crazy text message from Metal, who you guys might remember. If you've been with me a long time, you'll know that Metal was who I was dating when I bought Triteia, and she went with me and she helped me film the whole first season of the channel. She just texted me. Today's April 29th. She just texted me and said, oh, happy boat anniversary. I hadn't even thought about that because of all this chaos. Today is my, let's see, I bought the boat in 2017, so 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Today is my 5-year boat-iversary for Triteia, and we're getting her rudder fixed. It's so crazy that this has happened today. So I'm excited to get this done. It's been half a decade with this sweet boat, and I'm looking forward to being done with the gnarly refit for a while and getting out and doing some more adventuring. So, waiting for the welder to get back with everything, and he said it's okay to film, so we'll be filming him, and yeah, get the show on the road. So I'm here with Brian from Shaka Engineering here in Honolulu, and he's getting ready to weld up our tangs and get the rudder tightened up. So let's check it out. Slow process. Brian is very patient and has done a great job. He said he's going to, he's just slowly building it up, and then he's going to kind of bridge it so that they're kind of going to be met in the middle, which is awesome. So it's just a slow process, and I'm grateful they could do it, and very excited to see this happening. How big of a pain in the ass was that? He was very patient and welded, sat here for 6 hours, and it looks fucking beautiful. Look at that. Only caught the rudder on fire a little bit. Look at that. Holy shitballs. Thank you so much.
Thank you, free glitter.
Fucking stoked. I know, you got the man glitter. Incredible. Super stoked. Triteia's rudder is officially repaired. I'm terrified of the bill. It was 6 hours of welding. The guy Brian from Shaka Engineering was super patient and just like got the job done. And I'm so grateful. It looks amazing and it is so hardcore. I'm replacing all of the original rods, so that's an added layer as well, but this thing is so bananas that this thing is never gonna fail. Knock on wood. So that's very exciting. Yeah, super happy that it's done. It is morning of day 4 here at the boatyard, and it's going to be the last day on the hard. Tomorrow morning we splash, which I'm excited about. The rains have finally lifted for a bit, and I'm going to be able to get anti-fouling on all the bronze bits. I got prop coat, barnacle barrier, and go ahead and prepare all the surfaces and get this sprayed with the recommended number of coats, and then I'll hit it with the proper bottom paint. I want to thank Captain Mike. He gave me a full gallon of bottom paint so I could throw an extra coat on. He had left over from a job, so thanks Mike, appreciate that. My bottom paint actually looked really good still, but since she's out and paying to have her out, might as well throw a coat on. So I was stoked to be able to get that knocked out, and I'll take what's left and coat this and then a couple little spots here and there. So we got the new zinc put on the prop, and yeah, everything's good to go. Oh, the other thing I did yesterday was I replaced all of the voids. Like, these are like epoxy plugs that were factory made that covered the nuts for the rods, and I was able to save all of those when I pulled the rudder out of the water, and was able to epoxy those back in yesterday. Doesn't look pretty, but they're in there and they're safe and sound, and we'll get all that covered in a bottom paint today. So that's my day, and time to get to it. in the water. We're gonna head over to La Mariana and see if we can touch base with them and get a guest slip for a couple days. Very exciting. Very exciting. If you enjoy the content on this channel and would like to contribute, you can consider joining the Patreon crew. Thanks for watching. Fair winds until next time.